Introduction to Google Play subscription refunds.
The previous email or contact information makes it easier to get refund files. Read the information description and follow the instructions before proceeding.
Check your eligibility for a refund.
Google Play's refund policy applies to recent charges, usually within 48 hours for most subscriptions. Refunds may be available for accidental payments, unwanted renewals, or unauthorized charges. Always review the subscription details before requesting a refund to make sure you qualify.
How to request a subscription refund.
Open the Google Play Store app or visit the Google Play website. Go to Account and select Subscriptions. Find the subscription you want refunded. Then choose Report a Problem and select the reason. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request. You'll receive updates via email.
What happens after submitting your request?
After you send your refund request, Google Play reviews your case. Approval depends on the timing and reason. Refunds are often processed within a few days, but not all requests are granted. If you're refused, you may try contacting the app developer for further assistance.
Tips to prevent unwanted charges.
To avoid future unwanted payments, regularly review your subscriptions in Google Play. Set reminders to cancel before the renewal date and enable purchase authentication in your account settings. This simple step can help you stay in control of your app spending.